So another week has gone already and we're back at Sunday for Junior Parkrun. We're going to go to our usual again, so King George Parkrun, and last week you did, Luca, what time? What did I just tell you? Close, 10:40. So it was a good run, but you did have to stall a little bit because I think you said your tummy hurt, didn't it? Yeah? So look at the camera and tell everybody that does watch this video, which is not a lot of people, but tell them anyway, what time do you think you're going to do this week? 10:49, so you think you're going to go slower? He just said 10:09 to me. So let's get to Parkrun, get some footage as usual, and see how he does.